welcome, you lovely creative beings all over the world, lovely brothers and sisters. Yes, today I want to talk to you about soul painting. So see, very many people are coming here to my atelier and they are a little bit afraid and say, oh my God, I'm a little bit afraid of this white paper in front of me and to how to get started and then I feel every time that it's so easy to get rid of all these thoughts and all these thinking is about ourselves. So because we often think, oh, I'm not good enough in this, and oh, everybody can do it better than me, and so we have not so much self-confidence. So yeah, but there is a side in us which are beyond self-confidence, and this portion in us, I call it our creative being. And this creative being inside of us, it is in reality, it has nothing to do with our perishable body. It is unperishable, and that's why it has that power, and that's why it is it is wrong what I say now, but somehow it has survived so many times and such a long time, and since we do not know, and it is immortal, you know. And when we are able to connect with this source, with this power, then very slowly our self-confidence is improving, and then you can feel that with painting, it is that we can connect very easily with this powerful source. And when we establish this this connection with our self, our creative being, in the end it's our soul, right? Then our soul will guide us, and so we will not have to worry about the white paper in front of us, and so it's very, very great. So first, also it is sometimes it is a technique. So so in my atelier, when people come with that issue to be afraid of the white paper in front themselves, so I have some techniques. You might have seen it in my videos. It is very easy to not with a brain to just go on and make layers for layers, and with water and paint. The paint should be chosen by your soul also, because one day you have this kind of color you like, and one day you have that kind of color. So you have to pay attention about your inner creative being, and then there's no issue for that afraidness for the white paper, or any other afraidness also. So my suggestion for you is try it at home, that you, before you start painting, try it to get a connection with your creative being inside, and then let this creative being paint and experience the difference. With this, I wish all of you a great, great and happy, happy day. And if you like, then you can subscribe. And also on happysoulpainting.com there are waiting more exclusive freebies for you and goodies. So have a great day.